Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and as you probably just saw, I'm not going to make this year's Mini Nationals down in New Zealand. Unfortunately, there's not a quick driving route from the US to New Zealand. Who knew? But while I won't be at this year's event due to various COVID travel restrictions, the event is going to be huge. It's going to be awesome. There are going to be tons of different minis there, all sorts of people, and it's one of the biggest mini events in New Zealand each year. Now, this year's event is happening from October 22nd to the 24th in Christchurch, New Zealand. And I have partnered with the folks that are running this wonderful event and decided to sponsor this event by sending a few competition prizes for some of the different things you can win there, as well as some door prizes for those of you who register. Now, registrations are open and can be found at the link in my description. You'll also see it popping up across the bottom of the screen. And again, while I won't be there, I hope that you guys sign up and go visit and go see all the wonderful minis that are there, and hopefully I will be able to make an event in the future. But that's it for me today. Thanks for watching this episode, and until I see you guys again, you know the drill. Enjoy those minis and motor on.